Hi everyone, it's James. I'm making Chinese pepper steak. I've got minced garlic and ginger. I've got steak, beef flanks, and I've got soy sauce, sugar, and cornstarch in this mixture. And I've got different kinds of peppers. It is going to be fantastic. This is tonight's dinner. I'm going to lower the heat a bit. Okay, so I'm just cooking up the garlic and ginger for a bit. And then I'm going to stick all these, that's the new rice cooker. Get in there, you. At this point I can salt it and put pepper in it. Here in Japan, they call it shio kosho. That means salt and pepper. I can if I want, but since I'm using soy sauce, I don't have to. But I'm going to anyway. So I'm going to cook this up for a bit. And then I'm going to add the beef. I've already cooked the beef a bit. That's why it's a little brown and still a little pink. And then I will put this mixture in and it's going to be fantastic. I will show you the end product after. I am going to have some red wine and then I will show you the end product. Look at the beautiful colors. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I'm cooking for my family. This is Chinese pepper steak. Look at the color. Oh my god, the aroma is just killing me. I love the smell of this. Okay, I'm gonna pour in this mixture of sugar, soy sauce, and cornstarch. I might have to add more. Yep, I'm gonna add more. Wow, look at it. It is getting thicker. I added some water to it, and it is looking absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to try it. I might have to add a bit more sugar. I could make it spicy, but nah, I'm just leaving it as is. Wow, just look at it. Okay guys, I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes and it's time for me to try this out. I am going to try this out standing. I'm going to take this piece of beef. This is ready. Oh my god. It is fantastic. This is fantastic, guys. Thanks for watching. It is really easy to make Chinese pepper steak. Like and make this. Bye.